Alright guys, it's JB again. We're back at San Ysidro, the Las Americas Premium Outlet. It is Labor Day weekend. We're going to check to see what they have on sale. There is a little line since it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So, alright guys, we're going to find parking. Just fly by. Alright, just a quick look at the Jordans. You have the shorts and the tops. So, alright guys, I'm gonna check the aisles first. They do have the Lyrical Lemonade, $149. They have on sizes 8 to 12. So they got rid of the Air Jordan 3 animal prints. So they only have Jordan 10 wings here. Still retail price, but they do have a full-size run from 8 to 12. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the big sizes first. So they do have additional 30% off the hash wall. What they have in stock are pretty much what I've seen like the last 2 weeks when I was here. Let's see what they have standing out for you guys. So they have these soccer cleats, the Nike Vapor Edge, retail but minus 30% off. Alright, another Phantom Venom Elite. Retail price $222 but minus 30%. It's complete. It comes with a little dust bag. You have a couple of Air Max 270 Reactive guys, Air Force Max. You do have a Giannis 2.0, size 9 and 11s. So I just got misplaced. A couple more of those Phantom Venom Elites. We have these Air Zoom N7s. So there's these Nike SB portable, $49. So it's about 35 bucks. They have these BB Socks 4, $74.99 minus 30%. A couple more cleats, yes. Alpha Menace, 21 bucks. So they have a couple of Element 87s in this colorway. 49 bucks, so 35 bucks. These Assume Gravities, you guys. I got this PG4 PCG in this colorway. Retail minus 30. You have these Air Max 97 in this colorway. The black and white. Retail but minus 30. You have these cloth. Default colorway. $69.97. There's this maroon Cortez. These are actually women's shoes, but they're in the men for some reason. Checking you guys. We have some Element Bath ISPAs. There you go. More of that cloth. You have the shoe day pack. The Cortez we have on here. This is a size 10.5. $74.99. And we have these Air Max 95s in this colorway, 8.5. It's like current price, but you could always ask the associate how much it is. We have these Kyrie's, which one? 47 to N7s, Kyrie, 7.5. Like retail price though. You have these Nike ID. Nike by Jose. Air Max 90s. There we go. We have the Flight Faucet KGs. $79.99. This is the smaller sizes. What is this? Nike remote. Yeah, be honest, in the smaller sizes, size 7.5s. And you have a couple of like Legend 8 clubs, $24.99. Alright, just a quick look at the women's. We're at the bigger sizes, size 12. Just like the men's, we're going to check to see which ones like stand out. A lot of them are pretty much identical. What they have. We have these Air Max 97s in this colorway. We have a couple of Pre-Love iridescent Nike Swift. 55. This colorway. Okay. We do have a couple of these Air Max Torch. This one, I haven't seen this one, or Air Max Bella Terrain 2. 34. Take a look at the kids. We have these Jordan 8s in this colorway, the winterized. We have some soccer cleats. SB Janoskis, Stefan Janoskis for kids. They do have the Foamosite, little Foamosite. We have these kids shattered backboards, Foamosites. What is this one? It looks like a football cleat. Force Savage, the small LeBron 16s. And you have a triple white for kids. So looking at apparel and accessories, you do have a couple of Dodger hats in this color style. SB. Checking the other side, you have like dad hats and golf hats. Of course they have. And just a quick look at the accessory aisle, you guys. Yep. We do have backpacks for additional 30% off for back to school. So 44 plus 30%. So this would be around like 30 bucks. Yep. We have like these totes. Socks, elite socks for basketball, extra cushioning from $14 to $9.99. Checking the other side, we have all these other ones. As you can see, backpacks only 30% off. Let me just check this one. $60. It's 18, so 42 bucks. Quick look at the aisle. They have set up in the middle of the clearance, so they have women, kids, and men all set up in the main entrance. So you'll see that. Just a quick look for that, you guys. So I'm in the women's and kids section. So the aisles are pretty much the same when I was here 2 weeks ago, so I'm not gonna take a lot of video for that. But they do have a lot of clearance. So we're here at the kids section really quick. The line, or the end of the line, which is me, is here. So there is. I did find some items like polo shirts and t-shirts. Shirts were like 10 bucks plus 30% off. Polos were like 15 plus 30%. So, and there was a pretty good selection of sizes. So it's hard to pass up. And they have more backpacks at the kids wall. 29, so plus 30% off. It's like 9 bucks, so 20 bucks for backpacks. So not bad. They have lunch ones too. Alright guys, this is JB. Thank you again for joining me at another Nike Outlet Vlog at Las Americas, the Nike factory store in San Ysidro, California. It is Labor Day weekend. There is an ongoing sale. They have an additional 30% off at the hash wall, also with 30% off clearance items and additional percentage off on tagged items as well. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, share down below. Thank you again. Thank you again for everyone that have subscribed so far. Thank you. Your support means a lot, and the feedback. Alright guys, until the next video, peace out. Have a great Labor Day weekend.